With the start of World War II, Germany again turned to its navy, or Kriegsmarine, to starve Great Britain of supplies, and so the Battle of the Atlantic began. Starting from September 1939, it ran right through until May 1945, with the last German U-boat surrendering in Argentina in August of 1945, approximately 3 months after the end of the war in Europe. The aim of the use of U-boats came from the original plan used in the First World War, with Germany setting up a U-boat blockade around Great Britain by trying to starve essential supplies from coming from the rest of the world in order to weaken Britain's war effort. German U-boats could be found in every sea and ocean around the world. In Winston Churchill's memoirs on the Second World War, he confessed, "The only thing that ever really frightened me during the war was the U-boat peril." German service personnel who undertook these actions were, like their First War comrades, awarded their own unique war badge. The award was instituted on the 13th of October 1939 by the Commander-in-Chief of the Navy, Grand Admiral Raeder. This is laid down as follows. 1. I herewith order the institution of the U-boat badge for crew members of the U-boat service. 2. The badge is awarded by the commanding officer of the U-boat. 3. The badge can be issued to all officers, NCOs and ratings who serve on the U-boat directed against the enemy and who prove themselves on 2 or more sorties against the enemy. In case of a wound received whilst on active duty, the man may be entitled to the badge earlier. However, this is down to the U-boat commanding officer's discretion. 4. It is worn on the service jacket, blue and white jackets, both service and mess, pullover and shirts, both white and blue on the left-hand side, the same as the World War I U-boat badge. It is to be worn during duty and off duty. The badge comes in a number of variations and metal quality, ranging from tomback badges, beautifully fire gilded with high and low burnishing, to grey zinc that have lost their finish. The swastikas can be cut out or solid, and with propeller and without, although care must be taken as a very good copy without the propeller exists, and with a heart-shaped chest to the eagle or a pigeon chest. With over 20 makers, it can take a collector a lifetime to amass a nice collection. Here are a few of them. Please note this is not a complete listing. Also, you can find cloth examples of yellow cotton on a blue cloth. After the war, and with the reformation of the West German Armed Forces, veterans of the Kriegsmarine were entitled to new replacement badges, and the U-boat badge was one of them. The badge is the same, but without the eagle and swastika. The badge is in fact harder to acquire than the wartime type, as few Navy men were alive to claim it in 1957. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe if you wish to see more. Thanks for watching.